Thank you very much to everyone who has given public comment, to the people who have already left. It was appreciated very much. So thank you. Now we're going to proceed with the case, the introduction of evidence, positions of the parties. First, could the attorneys all introduce themselves and their parties?
Good afternoon, Chairperson and Commissioners. This is Jennifer Brooks Hutchinson. I represent National Grid, and to my left is Scott McCabe and James Rubinacher.
Good afternoon. I'm John Hagopi, and I represent the division. To my left is Steve Shalaba, and to his left is Alberico Senior.
Good morning, I'm Mike McElroy. I represent Lieutenant Governor Dan McKee, who's sitting to my left.
Linda George with the PUC.
Alan Walton with the PUC.
Todd Bianco with the PUC.
Thank you. Counselor, are there any administrative matters? And I must say also to everyone, I've been terribly remiss in not formally introducing our newest commissioner, Abigail Anthony. This is her first hearing, as you know, we come to these regularly. So, welcome. Thanks. Administrative matters?
Yes, Chairperson. We have a motion for confidentiality by National Grid for some filings. We have an exhibit list that was circulated with all parties. There are no objections to the items on the list. I understand the Lieutenant Governor may wish to move an additional document as a full exhibit. We make a request for that. And we have the Lieutenant Governor's motion to introduce.
The motion for confidentiality.
Yes, Chairperson. In National Grid's July 18th, 2017 filing, we did request confidential treatment of unredacted versions of attachments 5 and 6 of the filing. Attachment 5 is the summary of the procurement process, identifying the key actions taken by National Grid to procure standard offer service for its customers. And attachment 6 in the filing are the executed confidential transaction confirmations for the period of October 1, 2017 through March 31, 2019 for the residential group, October 1, 2017 through March 31, 2019 for the commercial group, and October 1, 2017 through December 31, 2017 for the industrial group. And we're seeking confidential treatment over these attachments as they both contain commercially sensitive market information, which is customarily kept confidential.
The items that Councilor refers to are the type of documents that are typically granted confidential treatment by the Commission. I would move that we grant confidential treatment to the items that National Grid has covered. Is there a second? Is there a second?
Second.
All in favor? Aye. Aye.
Thank you, Chairperson.
Then, is it the case that there are no objections to the items on the exhibit list all coming in as full exhibits?
No objection from National Grid?
The division has no objection.
Lieutenant Governor has no objection.
Then those were all admitted full. And then first, the Lieutenant Governor's motion to intervene as a party. I would move based on the motion that was filed that we grant intervener status. Is there a second?
Second.
All in favor? Aye. And then, Mr. McElroy, did you want to address a matter?
Yes, Chair, thank you. When the notice of public hearing was issued in this matter and sent to the interested parties and published in the newspaper, it stated that by August 8th, 2017, the interveners were required to file, quote, testimony/position statement, quote. And that is in accordance with Rule 1.20K of the Commission's Rules of Practice and Procedure, which will allow for the filing of either testimony or a position memorandum by the parties. The Lieutenant Governor took the option of filing a position statement, which I believe you have before you. It's been distributed to all the parties, and to my knowledge, there is no objection to that coming in as a full exhibit, and I would like to move it forward, please.
Generally, we have position statements introduced through a witness. That's what the division does when they introduce position statements. Your client is a party. Why can't this be introduced as a full exhibit?
I guess we could do that, and he could adopt it under oath if you'd prefer. I could do that right now if you'd like, or at the appropriate time.
That would be great. At the appropriate time, I think. Thank you.
Thank you.
The division intends to adhere to its normal practice in this regard.
Thank you. Is there anything further, Council?
No, Chair.
Then I would ask National Grid, please.
Thank you, Chairperson.
I'm sorry, I don't mean to interrupt. Could I at least get the position statement marked for ID, please?
Yes.
Thank you. I apologize for interrupting.
No problem.